Tnat Pulit Meghalaya kalapan Rung kam sa arpu Ngut ki Pulit Konstable ki Thymmai ki balapan deb ya ka jing shahi kai jongki ka 4th MLP IRB and Training Center hasopian. Hakani ka sngi lapan long ru ka jing ya passing out parade jongki kin hon shahi kai bakandai ba lapan long hakajaka ai jing kai hasopian West KHASI Hills District. Hakani ka sngi lawan min saki de Deputy Inspector General of Police ka Meghalaya isi elingwa u District Deputy Commissioner Garrett LSN Dykes but u Commander in Joga 4th MLP Battalion ubiti Marak.
They have been subjected to it.
And for that, I will congratulate the Commandant, the Assistant Commandant training, though I heard that Moksha is wearing a lot of hats, but still one of the hats, which is the training hat, he has done a very successful job. I also congratulate the trainees who have excelled themselves in these 9 months of rigorous training.
Ya ka program